Here at Soldier Creek, we are having our very last Tiger Rally of the year, and we are going to surprise Miss Jan Morris, our counselor.
We are so excited to present the inaugural School Counselor of the Year Award presented by Calm Waters to Miss Morris for the 2025-2026 school year.
Mom, we are so proud of you, and I just want you to know that we love you and we recognize all your hard work that you give and pour into all these kids on a daily basis, and you are so deserving of this award.
I've worked with Calm Waters probably for about 20 plus years, and we go back since to the days when I was at Cleveland Bailey. Realizing that so many of our children had experienced some form of loss, whether it was death, divorce, separation, incarceration, these children needed that extra Calm Waters.
Miss Morris is an absolute delight to work with. She makes sure that every little tiger at Soldier Creek Elementary in Middale has access to grief support, and we are so excited to honor her.
Middale Schools has been an amazing advocate for education. They are there to encourage whatever the need is. Middale Schools is amazing, and I feel so blessed to be part of Middale Schools, and my life has been richer because of them.